Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook eggs the healthy way. First, let's talk about choosing the right eggs. Opt for eggs from pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched hens, as they often offer superior nutritional profiles. Also, consider organic or free-range options for potentially higher quality and ethical sourcing. Making smart choices at the grocery store is the first step towards a healthier egg dish, ensuring you start with the best possible ingredients for your meal. Next, let's explore the best cooking methods to keep your eggs healthy. Poaching is an excellent choice, as it uses only water, avoiding any added fats while keeping the yolk wonderfully soft. Boiling, whether soft or hard, is another fantastic option that requires absolutely no oil. Steaming eggs also cooks them gently, giving you a tender result without extra fat. These methods preserve the natural goodness of the egg. Now, let's discuss smart additions and fats. If you're frying, use a non-stick pan with just a tiny amount of healthy fat, like 1 teaspoon of olive oil or avocado oil. Incorporate plenty of fresh vegetables such as spinach, mushrooms, or bell peppers to boost nutrients and fiber. Season your eggs with herbs and spices instead of excessive salt or high-fat sauces. Remember to limit high-fat ingredients like cheese or bacon for a truly healthy meal. Finally, let's recap the amazing nutritional benefits and some helpful tips. Eggs are a complete protein source, offering all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. They are packed with vital nutrients like vitamin D, B12, and choline, which are crucial for brain health. Enjoy eggs in moderation as part of a balanced diet, perhaps 3 to 5 times a week. Always store your eggs properly in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.